Hello everyone, my name is Ria Thomas and this is my first video on networking. So in this video I'll be basically focusing on the network troubleshooting commands. So this network troubleshooting commands will help us fetch the network information. Now let me start with a very basic command which all of us are very much familiar with, that is ipconfig. Now what it does is it displays all the current TCP/IP network configuration values and refreshes DHCP. Now what is this DHCP? It is Dynamic Host Configuration Protocol and DNS. DNS is Domain Name System Settings, and it also displays the IP addresses, subnet mask and default gateway for all the adapters. Now let us see what it displays. See, it is displaying the IP address, the subnet mask and the default gateway address, and it has some more information as well. Now if we type ipconfig /all, it is not only displaying the IP addresses, but it is also displaying the internet related information, for example Wi-Fi information, Ethernet information and many more. Now if we type ipconfig /display DNS, this is what it displays. Now we move on to the next, that is ping. So first of all, let me tell you what is ping. Ping is a computer network administration utility used to test the reachability of a host on an internet protocol network and to measure the round-trip time for messages sent from originating host to a destination computer. Now if you simply type ping, it will display all possible options which will help us calculate various parameters. And so if we type ping along with any IP address 168, for example D4, so it is pinging. Now if we type ping local host, it will display the following data, and if we type ping 127.0.0.1, it is again pinging this IP address. Now we can also ping any website's address, for example google.com. So it takes little time for pinging. Our next command is traceroute and the web address. So it is a computer network diagnostic tool for displaying the path and measuring transit delays of packets across an IP network. So this command is tracert www.google.com. So it is displaying the required information. That is, it is tracing the route of google.com, and it is also displaying the maximum number of hops, and in this case the maximum number of hops is 30. So most probably it will go up to 30 times, which will take a very long time. So as of now I would close this and I would open another command prompt. Let us go on to the next command, that is netstat. Now netstat means it's full address Network statistics is a command line tool that displays network connections, both incoming and outgoing, routing tables, and a number of network interface statistics. So it is displaying all the active connections. So our next command is path ping. Now path ping is designed for environments in which one or more router exists between hosts. So this will display as well as this will display some of the options which will help us know more information. Now our next command is get MAC. This will fetch the MAC address of our system. Then ARP-A. Now let us understand what is ARP. ARP stands for Address Resolution Protocol. It allows to display and modify the Address Resolution Protocol cache. The ARP cache is a simple mapping of IP addresses to MAC addresses. So let us see what does it display. So it is displaying the internet address, physical address. That is, it is mapping the IP addresses to the MAC addresses. This is the IP address, this is the MAC address. So both are being mapped. Okay, so our next next command is root print. So what is the main work of root print? So root print command is used to print, view, add and delete roots on a Microsoft Windows NT server that runs Cisco ICM. So let us see what does it print. Yeah, we have to give space in between them. Yeah. And my next command is nbt stat. We don't have to give space in between them. And similarly, our next command is nbt/-r. Then finally, our next command is netsh. So now our next step would be that we would type down, then we would type show mode, and then net int IP show config. Yeah. So these were some of the commands that would help us to fetch the network information. Thank you.